Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to be reading a brand new story, and it's called 4 Seasons Make a Year. And it is written by Anne Rockwell and pictures by Megan Halsey. And today we're just going to be reading the story for the first time. A year has 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. March 21st is the first day of spring. Wind blows and birds sing, daffodils and crocuses pop up through the melting snow to bloom in the dark, wet earth. Leaves sprout on the trees, and it's time to plow the field. Spring showers come. The pear tree we planted by the porch is covered with white blossoms. A robin sings as it hunts for worms in the ground. It's time to plant corn and squash seeds in the field. I plant 1 sunflower seed by the back door. Breezes blow blossoms from the pear tree into the sky. Birds sing as they build nests. Every day the air gets warmer, and the earth gets warmer too. June 21st is the first day of summer. Green sprouts spring up from the field. My sunflower seed sprouts green leaves too. Soon all of the trees are covered with leaves. Roses bloom, bees buzz, butterflies flutter among the trees. The pear tree's empty blossoms turn to tiny green pears. The flower bed in the front yard bursts into bloom. Zinnias, sweet peas, lilies, cosmos, and black-eyed Susans. The fields have stalks of corn along with vines of green pumpkins and squash. On hot summer days, I swim in the pond down the road. Summer is when we pick the first ears of corn from the field. Now look, this one we could turn to this way and we can see the sunflower. Look how tall it is. We sell corn, squash, and bouquets of summer flowers at our roadside stand. But I won't sell my big yellow and brown sunflower, which has grown so much taller than I am. September 21st is the first day of fall. Our pumpkins turn from green to orange, and I ride to school on a big yellow bus. My sunflower droops in huge blossom and heavy with seeds. Leaves on the trees turn red and gold. Now I sleep under a blanket and I wear a warm jacket to school. The bees and butterflies are gone, and many birds fly away too. Corn stalks standing in the field turn dry and brown. Pumpkin and squash vines shrivel up. It's time for the field to rest. Pears hanging from the pear tree are big and golden. I bite into one that's ripe, juicy, and sweet. Now the sky is gray and cold. All the trees but the evergreen have bare branches. Squirrels rush frantically here and there, hiding acorns and nuts to eat when winter comes. Most of the birds have flown away. In the morning, the radio announcer says, "No school today." The roads are slippery, too covered with snow for the big yellow bus to travel safely. A bright red cardinal hops onto a snowbank. Its mate comes to join it. I think they're waiting for me, for I know just what they want. Those birds love sunflower seeds. The big dried up sunflower I planted and grew and saved is lying in a basket in the mudroom. I put on my snowsuit, scarf, and mittens and boots and go outside. In our cold white yard, deep snow comes to my knees as I toss sunflower seeds to the hungry cardinals. Chickadees come to eat them too. And that's the end of our story. So this story was all about the seasons. And today, since this is the first time that we're reading the story, we are not going to do anything with it. We're reading it. All right, I hope you have fun with reading our story, and you can go on to Raz Kids and read a story yourself.